In the beginning, when the Lord proclaimed to the hosts of heaven, I will place a successor, a guardian, upon the earth. The angels questioned, will you place there one who will sow corruption and spill blood? While we, without fail, glorify you and sanctify your name. And Allah replied, with knowledge beyond time and sight, I know that which you do not know. Then Allah said, O Adam, reveal to them their names. And when Adam spoke, unveiling what was hidden, Allah declared, did I not tell you? I know the secrets of the heavens and the earth. I know what you reveal and what you conceal. And so the command came, prostrate before Adam. All bowed in obedience, except one. Iblis, consumed by arrogance, refused. And in that moment, he became a disbeliever. Allah said, go with those who follow you, for hell shall be your fuel. You shall deceive whom you may, but my true servants, those firm in faith, you shall never overcome. And Allah said, O Adam, you and your wife dwell in paradise. Eat freely of its blessings, but approach not this tree, lest you become among the wrongdoers. But the whisperer crept near. He said, your Lord forbade this tree only so you may not become angels or live forever. And he swore by Allah, I am to you a sincere advisor. Tension rises, forbidden moment. So through deception, he made them fall. The moment they tasted the fruit, their nakedness was revealed, and they covered themselves with the leaves of paradise. And their Lord called to them, did I not forbid you from that tree? Did I not warn you, Satan is a clear enemy? And they cried, O Allah, we have wronged ourselves. If you do not forgive us and have mercy upon us, we shall be among the lost. Then Adam received words from his Lord, and Allah accepted his repentance. For he is the forgiving, the merciful. Allah said, descend, all of you. You will be enemies to one another. Upon the earth you shall live. Upon it you shall die, and from it you shall be brought forth. But he promised, and when guidance comes to you, whoever follows it shall have no fear, nor shall they grieve.